care much than goes a lot around the social some other data. Give it a goal table over to Penasa. Didn't pay the Penasa. I'm not the name, but they wrong to them two generation, but they put some of the options and other chapter and number in the yards. But I'm sure they was done on down to the choosing the need to have a decision, but it is not the neighbors of the color of this.
Unfairness of lack of opportunity, and when you realize that your core value systems are under attack, then the Tibetan people's panic and sense of crisis is not difficult to understand. And this is written by a group of Chinese lawyers who visited Tibet to conduct a field study to identify root causes of widespread protests in Tibet in 2008. And I hope the world leaders would listen to these writings by Chinese themselves. Thank you very much.
In Tibet! No human right! In Tibet! Stop the culture genocide! 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 In Tibet! China is lying! China is lying! China is lying! Stop the killing! In Tibet! Stop the killing! In Tibet! Stop the killing! In Tibet! No human right! In Tibet! No human right! In Tibet! No human right!
In the lifetime, and religiosity is suddenly changed into a modern city that you no longer recognize. when you can no longer find work in your own land and feel the unfairness of lack of opportunity, and when you realize that your core value systems are under attack, then the Tibetan people's panic and sense of crisis is not difficult to understand. By a group of Chinese lawyers who visited Tibet to conduct a field study to identify root causes of widespread protest in Tibet in 2008. A. Assimilation of Tibetan people, its culture and identity by China. B. Intensification of social control and surveillance in Tibet. Assimilation through education and shift in medium of instruction from Tibetan to Mandarin. Cultural assimilation in Tibet has been one of the serious concerns of Tibetan people for all these years. The Chinese Communist Party has outrightly moved and made cultural assimilation as the party's central aim of its policy under President Xi Jinping. Recent speeches and documents have increasingly put pressure to assimilate through changes in education and emphasize to phase out Tibetan language or de-emphasize the teaching in mother tongue. The Chinese authorities are shutting down all remaining Tibetan medium schools and informal Tibetan language classes. Under the One Culture and One Language campaign tag, the State Council of China has declared more efforts to be made to bring 85% of people in regions under its control to use Mandarin by 2025 and make Mandarin virtually universal by 2035. In July, the Singduk Patse Middle School in the Golok Tibetan area was forced to shut down. A long-serving teacher of the school, Winchin Qi, was arrested on 1st August.
Thank you.